Your truck may be equipped with available forward collision warning with dynamic brake support, which is part of pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. The system warns you if it senses that there is a risk of a potential frontal collision. It offers 3 levels of support: alert, brake support, and active braking. Using a front camera, it detects stopped and slower-moving vehicles traveling in the same direction and alerts you if your vehicle is rapidly approaching them. If this happens, a flashing visual warning will appear in the instrument cluster and a warning tone will sound. If you don't react after the alert and continue to get closer to the vehicle ahead, the system will pre-charge your brakes for rapid braking so they can respond faster once you do press the brake pedal. Once your brakes have been pre-charged, even if you press them lightly, they'll apply maximum braking power to help stop your vehicle quickly. Active braking may occur if the system determines that you are not reacting to a vehicle ahead and a collision is imminent. To set the system's alert sensitivity, press Features on the touchscreen, Driver Assistance, Pre-collision, then Alert Sensitivity. The low setting will send fewer warnings, while the high setting will give earlier, more frequent warnings. If you are using a snowplow or have any other object attached to the front of the vehicle, it is recommended that you disable the collision warning feature. You can do so by selecting Off on the Pre-collision Assist screen.